This is a little bit of a help on your statistics project. So if we get to my website and go to statistics, we can see somewhere about the census at school. So here we have the census at school, take the census. This here is our data. So if we click on our data, you'll find this is where it downloads from. I'm going to go all our data. And then I need to store it somewhere. So maybe I'll just do it on the desktop for now, and I will save that. All right, so now we just go to NZ Grapher. Once that's downloaded, still doing its thing. I'll go over here. So NZ Grapher is right there. Jake Wills, he's wonderful. So we go data, and we need to open a file. Then remember I put it on my desktop, and so I click on here. Double click. I think I double clicked. There we go, and here's my data. Okay, so we need to find our box and whisker, and then we need a continuous variable. So I'm going to find the easiest one I can get. That first comes to mind. I could do dinner time. Time might be problematic. Could have a look at screen time. It may know it's not numeric, so that's not going to work. So let's have a look at wrist. That's going to work. Okay. So we've got wrist, and then I'm going to do the easiest option of gender. And I'm going to colour by gender just because I can. Oh, I could colour by class code to compare the different classes if I wanted to. No, it did not work. Right, let me get to gender. I should have had lots of. Oh yeah, I do have to put class codes. Anyway. Okay, I'm going to put my summaries. I'm going to put my box plots. And we've talked about cheating by putting a mean dot in, then we can sort of see the skewness of the data. Here we have someone who's not male or female, so you could clean that data. And here we've got compare wrist sizes, just for some kind of a title. Okay. Now I don't want to show the ID, I'll get rid of that. It's better. Okay, and you can screenshot that by, for most of you, you have got snipping tool, and you go new, and you grab it, and then you can pop it into your presentation, and you've got your graphs. Okay, so if when you've collected your own data, it hasn't worked, you don't have two box plots, then just use something from the data that we got for census. Done. Thank you.